Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we have a very nice radical question in which we have under root of under root 9 minus under root 8 is equals to what? So let's find out. So here we can see that radical 9 is equals to 3. So we can write that in a radical, and we know that radical 9 is equals to 3 minus, and we can write radical 8 into radical 4 multiplied by 2. And further what we can do here, we will take 4 out, so that will be simply 3 minus 2 radical 2. Okay, so what's in the radical? That is 3 minus 2 radical 2. So what we can do further here, let's write this into the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square. So what we can do here, we can write 3 into form of 2 plus 1 and minus 2 radical 2 times 1. So let's rearrange this. So we have 2 radical 2 times radical 1 plus 1, and further, and we know that all these things are in the radical. So here is a radical, here is this also in the radical, and this one is also in the radical. So further what we can do, we can now write this into the form of a minus b whole square. So we can write here, it will be in the radical, that is here we get a equals to radical 2 and b is equals to 1, and we can also write this into the radical 1. So that means this is radical 2 minus radical 1 whole square and under root. So we know this is square and this radical will be cancelled, and that will be further is equals to radical 2 minus radical 1, and this is in the modulus, the value will be in absolute form, and we already know that radical 2 is equals to 1.414. So that means the answer will be in the positive. So that means that we have radical 2 minus 1 is the answer of this question. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.